Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the timer on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. New, go to the reading section and go to the text to speech button, and you can find the third option, the timer. Click that and you can select your timer. You can turn off the function or you can select an hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes or others. Just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.